Hello, welcome back to my channel. We're doing an unboxing of this month's Girls Can Crate. These are little monthly subscription boxes you can get, and these are specifically about different women throughout history and crafts based on that. So, and this set is for two girls, so you can choose one or two girls. They might have more options than that, but we have two, so we went with two. So this month it is Grace Murray Hopper. And so they have this little card that gives you a nice little overview. And then different things about her. And they come with these nice books. We'll flip through. I always like the artwork on it. I think it's really colorful. Looks like she worked on some computers and lots of good information. Like going through these crates, it always takes a couple different sessions because there's just so much information. It's really good. I really like them. Oh, interesting. The history of a computer. And then they always have these little activities, like sometimes it's connect the dots, sometimes it's word searches. This looks like a pattern activity. And this is talking about coding, so this is really cool. Nice little introduction for kids for coding. And then they always have like something you could do with things that are in your house. And some more little puzzles. And then the things for what's involved with the crafts that are actually put in there. So making your own computer. Oh, my girls will love doing that. They love pretending that they're, oh, it's my computer. And so they'll grab some book or something and just pretend to type. So, well, they're going to love that. Look at that. Oh, that's cool. But they can only make one. Because we only have one box. That's interesting. So that's kind of a little bit of a flaw in their thing, because they have these sets that are two, but you only have one. I guess I could find another box. Find another box. We still have little boxes. Okay, well, that's what we'll have to do. And then let's see, code your name. That's cool. So they have, this is the things that come with it. They have a little binary sheet. That's nifty. Like, there's so much to learn in these. That's what I love. I love all the stuff that they learn. There's so many things that you could add in and talk about as well when you're going through it. Perfect. Perfect for anybody, especially if you're doing homeschooling. Really good. That's cool. We got two of those. We have some colored pencils. Oh, interesting. Thought they were crayons. Colored pencils. Some beads. They always have a little bit of this stuff in there. I like it because you can use it for like packing or Easter baskets or, anything. I mean, it's so great for crafting. Look at that. Oh, that's cool. That's so neat. Look at that. I like that. It's like little wood burnt butterfly and a computer. That's so cool. I like it. And then you also, when you start getting them, you'll get these tote bags, and they have like little circles, and you put your pins on them for every month that you get. So there's that binary code. That's interesting. I don't know anything about that. I always learn stuff from these things too. There's so much good stuff to learn. Keyboard stickers. Things for the game, and sometimes when it's like a big board game, you only get one, which I'm not sure. I mean, like, it kind of makes sense, but you're also paying a bit extra for two sets of things, and sometimes I don't know. I like it because the kits are really nicely put together and stuff. I mean, I'm sure that obviously if you went and put all the stuff together yourself, it'd be cheaper. But they're really nice. I do like these kits. So, very nice. That's this month's Girls Can Crate. If you have any questions about Girls Can Crate or anything, I'll try to answer them. But I like them, and I do recommend them. Thumbs up.